Hey, this is Gabriel from exoticwoodpin.com. In this video, this is the tailgate latch off of my truck. I've got a crack that runs from here all the way through to about here. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but if I pull that on there a little bit, you can kind of see a little bit of a raised line. And I want to try and repair that before that gets too much worse. I noticed that when I was trying to open the tailgate. So from the inside, you can see that under tension. So from the back side, I want to clamp this without taking it apart. If I pull this down here, I'm just going to take a cheap spring clamp. And I hose this off to get all the dirt off so I can see what I'm doing. So now that's free on the inside. So what I want to do is I want to take a Dremel and clean that up, rough it up at the same time, and then I'll mix up some JB Weld for the inside. So off camera, I'm going to go ahead and rough that up. Okay, so I got that routed out. I got that cleaned up on the inside here. Can barely see it, but I used a sort of a pointed Dremel bit, and this thing actually worked really good, made quick work of roughing that up. And then on the front side, I put some clear tape over the front of that so none of that JB Weld will come seeping out. So we'll just mix that up and then we'll apply it real quick. Okay, so I've got it all mixed up. Now I'm just gonna see if I can apply that in there without making too much of a mess. But I'm going to use it all just so I can make sure that's nice and strong on the inside. Just quite a bit. It's a couple dollars worth of about $4 worth of JB Weld. I don't know how much it costs to replace a whole handle. Probably $100 or more. So I think this is worth the option. Anyway, we'll go ahead and let that set overnight. And then we'll see how it looks in the morning. Okay, this is Gabe. I'm back. Okay, here's the tailgate. I'm pulling on this and there's virtually no deflection here anymore in the front. It's pretty solid from probably about a ½ inch up from the end. I flip it over this way. You can see the reflection. You can see how much of a void that's filled in. So that's pretty rock solid. That'll last another 10 years. Unless this part breaks next. Unless this part breaks. Okay, so there's the crack right here. And there's no deflection whatsoever. If I flip it open, you can see how much JB Weld is in there. That's probably about a good solid ½ inch thick all the way down and across. So that's really solid. And that's probably about a ½ inch up all the way across. So that'll last another 10 years. Anyway, we'll go ahead and install that and we'll call that good. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Okay, I got that back installed. These are 10mm bolts right here. All you do is just pop those, either loosen or unloosen to remove it. And then you have these two arms. These go to the locks on both sides. And these just fit inside these holes here and here. You just pop those back in place. Okay, so this is the tailgate latch. It's already in and it's working good. You can see a little bit of the crack right there, but everything's fine. Thanks for watching.